Hi everyone, I'm S. Chaya Lakshmi. I'll be taking class for business study of class 12. So in continuation of our earlier chapter of the unit 1, today I'll be explaining about the levels of management. So the levels of management is divided into 3. That is, the first one is the top level management, second is the middle level management, and third is the supervisory level or the lower level or operational level of management. So let's explain top level management kaino, lower middle level management kaino, supervisory level of management kaino ito detail oina amuk explain torse. So top level management is the yaugadawa members singse kana oigani have the chairman, board of directors, managing directors, president, vice president, chief executive officer. Chief executive officers is short form da akoina haibai CFO. That is, C stands for chief, E stands for executive, O stands for officer, and also the chief financial officer. In short, we can say CFO, that is C stands for chief, F stands for financial, and O stands for officer, and the chief operating officer. Makoi singse top level management da consist away. The top level management gi functions is there. I am but the administrative functions oina have focused away more than the managerial functions. Since they are the top level management, they are more time is given on the administrative, on the whole work of the planning and the organizing of that organization. So they top level management are intellectuals persons, so high intellectuals persons, they are those who are intelligence persons, those who frame the policy of the organization. So top level management ge makoi functions se kari functions sing no haibado akoi mathang amuka yengaksi. First main function of the top level management is determining the objectives of the enterprises. The enterprise adugi objective taugatara mogi pandam se kari no haibase top level management gi mathauni. Whether it may be in the short term or the long term. Short term hairagadi akoina those things which can be completed in 6 months or 1 year, that complete the thabak sings akoina short term haina launai aduga long term dana hairagana which exceeds more than 1 year. 1 year dagi hankat khibase akoina long term da haina lawe aduna mogi objective se short term da kayamne achieve tawgada wa long term da na kayam achieve tawgada wa haibase top level makoina determine tawi objectives se. The second main functions again comes to the organizing activities. Haidi makoi gi thabak se kamaina organize tawgani. Haidi tawgadaba thabak se kamaina framework tawgani, like the objectives the my magi department laiba mayam sing sida akhoi gi purchasing departments laigani, sales laigani, advertising laigani, marketing laigani, aduga haujikti laiba business e amna complex toirakpani na production research haibasu amal lairkani. Production research haidi aina toibra production market ta kayamna pangani pamoi haibda sigi thabak mayam sing ju top level management na makhoi gi thabak sing do mathang manau laina organize to dakar oi. Third is the assembling resources. Assembling resources is the akoina any production amatawa matam dida akoi gi changadaba resources mayam amalaya. That is the it may be in terms of capital, it may be in terms of raw materials, anatoga fixed assets. Sigi mayam sing se dakar changa e adugi mayam suzu assemble tawada makoina top level management gi mathau tare. Fourth is the approving budgets. Taugodeba thabak sizna akhoi gi paisa kayam darkar changani haibasizu amuk akhoi namu focus over dakar madusu top level management gi mathau eri haidi changado paisa se akhoi gi production department da kayam changa kani, sales da kayam changa kani, marketing kayam changa kani, have the budget changado kaino di any business amata was a budget on the loina depend taraktoine. So according to the size and nature of the business magi budget to so depend tarakani. Business pi agana budget kharapilakani aduga business to amna chaw ki boy dadi budget चाउन एप्रूव तब दरकार होगनी. Fifth point is framing plans and policy. Plans करी करी थबक तौगदवा पॉलिसी करी करी तौगदवा हाइबसी मखगी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अचीव तौनबय दमकता मखोइना प्लान सेमकनी अदुगा प्लान्स तुगी मतुंगना करी करी थबक अमुक पॉलिसी तौरकदा हाइद पॉलिसी दा अमुक अदुगी मथौदुसु टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट की मथौ ओरे. 6th point is responsible for welfare and survival of the organization. Top level की मैनेजमेंट की मथौ से it's very complex and stressful. हाइदी मखोगी थबक से यामना intellectuals ओइबनिना यामना stressful सु ओइरे अदुगा complex ओइरकपनिना अदुना मखोइना their work demands a long hour and commitment to the organization. Aduna makoin organization da bana kamaina welfare oina kamaina yam kuine hena survive tarokani haibesu top level management ki mathau ore. Next is the middle level management. Top level management explain tawre. Next is the middle level management, that is the second. Middle level management da khoina yawgo do mi se departmental heads or kaneba haide department to ge heads by basing se makhoi singjo kana kana or gani have the purchase departmental heads, sales departmental heads, finance manager, marketing manager, executive executive officer and plant extra. Makhoi sing sina department की head the consider तौरी बसिंग दो अखोई ना middle level management and हाइरा कनी. Middle level management से अखोई ना मोई से linking pin between the top level management and the supervisory level of management so high. Linking pin हाइता दी, or we can say that as the middleman person हाइते top level management का अदुगा अखोई की ngसाई third the लाकोरी दे operational management सिगा मखोई सिगा अनी की मयाई दे लाई बने बा middle मयाई दे लाई बने. They are also set as a middleman management. Middleman management haira ise natraga linking pin haira ise karigino haibada top level management na ngasai gi akhoina ngasai takhibada plans and policies frame tawgre adugi plans and policy frame tawgibada middle level management sina execute tawrakani haidi plan to implement tawrani chatna naba practical loina chatna naba tawrakani adugi chatna naba plan se execute tawrabda makhoina ngasai gi plans and policy mayam se law level management da natraga supervisory level of management da makhoina implement tawrakani practical loina honarakpada aduna ngasai gi makhoi se supervisory level of management gi dagi su pau phawdok phawjin oina ba aduga any information ama piga dabagi oida su makhoina top level management na middle level management da piga do ma mayai da laibne linking pin between the top level management and the law level management haidi ani dugi marakta pau phauna bagi middleman oibane any information pass ama tawbase middleman gi through the satpatagi. Okay, so that's why the middle level management ki se plans policy frame tawgiba ase makhoin implement execute tawnaba akhoina practical oina chatnaba je implement tawa se middle level management ki function namni part amani. So the main functions of the middle level management se kari kari no haibada amuka khoi amu yengse interpretation of the policies framed by top level management to law level. The housing ngasai aina middle level gi housing ata aina middle level se karna no na hai gi matam da su pankrea to the middle level management that they are the linking pin between the top level management and the lower level of management and high basida id mah ki thabak ase any policy program frame top level management da adu implement na hanbase any plans amuk na hanba implement interpret tawne ma kamai tawgada no thabak se na haibagi mathau se middle level management na lower level management da manage tawrak. Second is the preparing organizational setup. Preparing organizational setup have the akhoi middle level management ke mathau de objective se achieve tawbagi honabada implement was objective achieve target achieve the organization makhoi gi mathau neba aduna organization na setup tawra objective to target achieve tawna bagi damakta different departments da according to the objective of the organization makhoi na prepare tawganeba according to the objectives of the organization respective department haidi housing se business to yamna chawbo ita de magi department to khai la kani like the purchase department haira kanda purchasing haida de pot line लाइननब डिपार्टमेंट से बखोना पर्चेसिंग डिपार्टमेंट है पर्चेस डिपार्टमेंट के सब डिपार्टमेंट अमुक लेरकनी माय मागे डिपार्टमेंट मसा मसा मचा अमु फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट है फाइनेंस के पैसा पानगदब पैसा पानदब सेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट अम लेरकनी मागे सेक्शन सब सेक्शंस अमुक लेरकनी मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स अमुक लेरकनी मार्केटिंग दो सब डिपार्टमेंट सुमाइना डिपार्टमेंट मथौ तागने अदुना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेटअप से मखोइना कमाइना अचीव तौगनी हाइबसे मिडलमैन अमगी मथौ ताय थर्ड इज अपॉइंटिंग एम्प्लॉयज हाइदी ngasai taugadobe thabak plans and policies organization achieve taunanaba hotnabada mi darkar oirkani appoint tawbani so who are the person to be employed appoint tawbase karam ba mi singdu akhon appoint tawgani haibase ju middleman gi ama function amani हाइदी तौगदोइबा थबक तुगिना परचेस डिपार्टमेंट हाइदे परचेस का हेना नॉलेज लेबा मी फाइनेंस के हाइदादे फाइनेंस सेक्शन कनाना पानरकनी अदुगी मी दरकार लेबा मी दे अपॉइंट तौबा अदुसु एम्प्लॉयज के अपॉइंट तौबा सुर मिडलमैन की फंक्शन अमनी Fourth is the issuing instructions. Issuing instruction, department manager, different department managers in the market subordinates. Subordinates say the market makada thabak tawriba employees mayam sing the market subordinates the thabak to kamaina tawgani instructions beginning instructions je thaba ama tawga matam the subordinates mayam do khangam daba ma yai market employees mayam do that is thabak to kamaina what to do and how to do and they have to do it. Haidi tawdulba thabak to Kari thabang no, what to do? Ko thabak se taugani haibado khange. How to do? How to do it? Taugdoi ba mawong do kamay na taugani. Thaba ama taugdoi mawong do kamay na taugani. Adu makoy na muktakani. Next is have to do it. They have to do it. Taugdoi ba thabak do makoy do high na ba train. Piba se adugi outlines piba asidu middle level management ki mathauni. Fifth is motivating employees. Motivating employees is one of the very important factor of all organization. Organization khuding maki motivating haibase. Motivating haibadi kari no haibasida akhoina tawriba thabak sida amuk hena thawai hakchang yauna hena phagat hana amuina tahoning bagi wakhalon chen base motivating hai. So any department amada thabak se hena tawkhalan ge hena phajana pungning thawai hakchang yana thabak just tawbaga ai gi thabak complete oiraga loire haibato nataba some new ideas akhoida adumbagi wakhalon phahon na ba haidi employees na thabak shuning bagi wakhalon anoba hena thawai yauna pungning thawai hakchang yauna kamaina tawhalakada ge thabak jo just magi thabak daily gi o routine wangi tawda ya de haibagi wakhalon da nataba anoba ideas with new creativity ideas kamaina makhoi je thabak te appreciate tawraga makhoi da anoba ithin phahon gani haibase this also a very important function of the middle level management haidi makhoi je employees leiba thabak mayam se thabak se sang na tawrakan da de magi thabak se tawra routine work de tawda ya da bani habi compulsion gi dumai lakani ado anoba wakhalon moida kamaina motivate tawraga ni kamaina makhoi de employees sing da amukena motivating factor tawraga ni haibase ju middle level management gi mathau amani. 6 is a creating cooperation. Cooperation. The success of any organization lies in the cooperation of the department. Masagi different department functions laiba singje cooperate to dakar hoy cooperation do laitra di amana like let's take an example that manufacturing department haina laurasiko manufacturing department production mayam tawgre magi at the end of the day magi produce tawriba posting the market sell tawga so without any knowledge from the marketing department the akhoi aina hauji produce tawriba portion market kayam yoli yonde knowledge ama interaction ambak laina darba communication ama phak laina darba aduga production tina pangtok da tawreba market ta poto yon darba then whole that production process produce tawriba pot ado it will be lying adum go down the dum yon da lairati that is the what to say one of the very unlucky factor of that organization aduna cooperation is the dakar leba haidi market ta kayam demand tawri adugi mating na production like if there is an increase in demand ko market yamna demand production dugi demand laire asomdana production tawdre supply tawba ngamdre pau phauna tabagi haidi sibau production tawo haibagi department sina pau phauna tadi so These things are very important in a business. Business ama success oige haida the cooperation is one of the very essential function of the middle level management. Pau phaunaba communicating tawbra makhoi the cooperate tawba haidi production do demand do yamna increase tawda wa the production do hena haidi sigi thasi da nangi production de sibak tawro hana leiramdagi si na handaki thasi di production do akhoi na yam demand leite khara handaba se cooperation tawnaba ama darkar pau phaunaba different department ka. So this is the very important functions of the middle level management. So the middle level management se we also they are the linking pin, or they are the middleman of the top level management and the lower level management. Any problems faced by the lower level management any complaint ama tawgada boys middle level management the hierarchy middle level, and it's the job of the middle level management to give information to the higher level management. So last part is the lower level management se akoina operational level su haina khangnai aduga supervisory level su haina khangnai. The lower level management the laigadawa missing se they consist of kana oigani supervisors, superintendent, foreman, sub department, executive, clerk, etc. Makhoi sing jina kaidogani haibada ngasai gi lower level management gi any plans top level management na frame tawhiba aduga middle level management execute tawba plans se thabak to ina activities ta oina onthorakpa haibase lower level management ni. So they pass on the instructions to workers and report to the middle level management ko. La supervisory levels da kaidorgani lower level management is workers magi workers sing the instruction pigani supervisory levels na aduga haide si tawgadabani na middle level management hierarchy sing do amuk lower level management na mage subordinates mage workers sing do da amuk instruction pini aduga mage report tawgadabosina kanada tarokani haibada middle level haidi akhoge tawdoiba report se lower duna amuk kanada haigani middle duna kanada haigani top level da mai magi sigi format sida dumaina any information, any grievance, any doubt label se dumaina pass down rakani. Okay, so let's come to the functions of the lower level management. Adu ida the lower level management in a tawduriba magi functions mathau sing se kari no haibato. First let's see. First point is representing the problems or grievance of the workers. Supervisory levels na lower level managements na mage workers in the partner rakto ipni workers in the plans and policies same but it's a different thing, but to implement that plant in a practical way the plans se khoi na thabak oino onthora kan the activities on onthora problems mayang practical the problems mayang face torakani adugi problems mayam sing do grievance of that workers. Haidi any problems thabak tawda, like for example let's say then moigi working condition natraga moina thabak tawa plans and activity hairi bado moina piriba infrastructure jo chanadre en khallase adu the infrastructure jo chanadre de thabak tawda problems mayam face tarokani otra. Next second point is the looking to safety of workers. Safety of workers haidi workers sing na thabak tawribado makhoi se akoina well facility provide tawbotes. We have to think for the safety of them. Makhoi gi tawriba thabak to accident thokna ba well infrastructure provide tawam thoi. So the work of that supervisory level is that their subordinates are working in a safe atmosphere. The third point is the maintaining good working conditions and developing healthy relation between superior and subordinates. Yari makai any organization amage mathaudi maintaining a good relationship. Good relationship lairiba khoi atmosphere se we need to understand the problems of subordinates also so that they can work to the best of their levels. Haidi makhoi se good relation ama dakar semba good atmosphere ama semba dakar way, then only we can help in the sound organization working, strong and sound organization. Relation to later can the employees subordinates will be in a more inspiring way to do their work. Thabak tawbodo nungai raga ti makhoi na tawba thabak ato makhoi ki production the maximum da khoi na muhena lawbanga mani. So there needs the supervisory levels ke mathau se to have a good relationship between the superiors and the subordinates. Fourth point is the helping middle level management. Mamang the su high gre middle level management se plans and policies sing se makoina supervisory level sida activities oina implement torga chatna naba active thabak oina ontholakpani interpretation toropani aduna makoina middle level management ge any job sing se kanana mateng tawi haibada supervisory level sina makoina middle level na haiba so pau founder ga makoina middle level management na pirba instructions ma'am the follow tawi so in a way they are helping the middle level management. Fifth point is the creating better human relations. Human relations haiba se amna darkar hoya like in what to say magi employees sama thabak ta magi problems mayam grievance mayam lergone that also we need to understand good relation targa magi problems understand taraga da better human relation targa ma amuk hena organization thabak tawning bage hena phagani mangi wakhalon lakani. So any production on the quality on the quantity quality any organization amagi pandam the good quality pothak pose ani haidi aphaba pot mayamna pamna gadaba ko as to the standard set up by the government of India quality da aduga quantity haidi masing yamna production tawba ngamba se no quantity numbers the number of selling nom the chala ani quantity ase so will depends on the hard work discipline and loyalty of workers haidi tawgadu be thabak mayam sing da subordinates ki hard working loyalty discipline see the maintain tarakani so workers and are controlled and managed by supervisory level. So in order to maintain this hard working and discipline and loyalty these are all controlled by the supervisory level. So with this the levels of management that has been classified into three. First is the top level management, second is the middle level management, third is the lower level or the supervisory level, or we can also say that operational levels of management. Sida akoina loire management ahungi hauji kaino sina ko. Nakoi kana bakhara phangamgani na khale. If you have any problems, any queries, I'll be always there to help you. So see you again in the next class. Thank you all for watching me.